Shalom everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another vlog. We're going on a family road trip, going to Savannah, Georgia, and I'm super excited. Stay tuned and come along.
Meanwhile,
y'all are crazy. Y'all are real life crazy. Alright, so I'm just about to straighten up my house because I don't want to return from a vacation to a messy house. So when you see us again, we will be heading to TYBEE Island, Savannah, Georgia. May I say shalom? No. They all fit. It's lit. Let me show y'all. Back. Ow! Look at baby Wesley. Just kidding. You ready to drive 3-4 hours?
Yes, I am. As soon as you get in the car.
Hello?
Rather be with you and all your bullshit.
Chica.
Rather be with you and all your
eventually,
We finally made it. I'm in the driver's seat. I had to drive the last 2.5 hours. But wow, we're here, guys. Woo! Alright, let's go. Ruby, we made it. We made it. So this is where me and my Lord will be sleeping. The kids, huh? That's a what tub? A jet?
Table and the chair.
What are you talking about?
Where's the table and the chair?
2 hours later.
There is zero natural light or good light in general. This is going to have to do. We're about to be on our way to our Sabbath class. It is Saturday. We're about to go congregate with the Savannah location. We congregate obviously with the Atlanta congregation, but there's one out here as well. All praise to the Most High. So we're about to be on our way. And once the sun goes down, it is not the Sabbath day anymore. So we're gonna link up with some family and we're gonna be great.
Hours later.
We were supposed to go out to like a really popular area like in Savannah, but time got past us. It's about 10:15. My youngest son is already asleep. So at this point, we're gonna go to one of the local restaurants right here in the area where our hotel is at, and then just have some company over and vibe. Thank you.
Shaka Khan.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Get up.
Who's not gonna know the door?
Y'all ready to eat?
They're ready to eat.
I'm hungry.
I don't want to, guys.
I'm hungry.
Shut carpet.
12 seconds later.
I don't know.
You woke up, Pump? You woke up? Yeah. Where? That is a star. That is a star.
Star Wars.
What do you know about Star Wars? Let's go.
I love your dress. It's beautiful. Wow. Where did those from?
A few moments later.
Oh, Gappy.
Little Gappy. Oh, wait. Friend is going sway. I wear them every day.
Shalom, you guys. So you know, it's everything a day. You guys may have heard about me. I'm the girl that went viral. I'm not gonna viral her. Like, no autographs, please. Chill.
Go
chill,
watch
chill.
my sis.
No autographs. Every day they check me out.
Okay. Period.
You would've brought friends.
Shalom, family. Shalom. See ya later. See ya later.
Day 2.
So we're like rushing to make breakfast downstairs. Go guys, go guys, go. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, I'm sure it will be.
You do? Judah watch about Judah chain, something about Judah rain. Yeah, he really did.
Another one is like me.
Yeah. I don't know what my husband was doing, but this is how a trunk is supposed to be properly packed, okay? Period.
Yeah. 1 time for the culture, 2 time for the vultures. I tried to give you meat for wisdom, you couldn't handle the poultry. We wanna get closer to God, but couldn't control our pride. Who marked with the mouth of the beast? Who marked with the words of God? I say I never calculated that life would turn to measure this high. I can't pretend even now. I'm blessed to make it this far. I'm connected to Most High, like I blazed up a nice one. They ask me if I'm gon' light one, I smoke not. And if I need to get high off the bounce. I'm rocking with the rock of ages, your squad get denounced. They say it's love, but destruction what the Father's about. We know who chosen, what's the preliminary about? I got some issues, who don't? Man, I'm done with the acting, done with masking my problems just to get satisfaction. From worldviews, I care less what the world views. The whole head is sick, the Bible flushes like their flu. Come on, what you been on? I ain't seen you in so long. I hear you preaching the gospel, but damn, where your friends gone? Oh, you ain't know? Judging by your works, I can't have no fellowship with the evil works of the flesh. So yes, I must confess, I'm acting brand new, what you expect? The law is perfect, put up your doctrine, it won't contest. We still the best of the best, we still coasting the coast to reach the people who need the words of the Most High spoken. Yeah, you know we in focus.
You ready?
You know we God's chosen. Yeah.
Jacob. We at the
Best
beach.
of the best, yes.
Wait.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
It's real, we up next. Word to the Most High spoken. Yeah, you know we in focus. You know we God's chosen. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
out here with the brothers and the sisters in TYBEE Island in Savannah, Georgia. We from Atlanta. We having a great time as we brothers and sisters.
Bye-bye. I don't know, baby. What do you guys, we had so much fun today, okay?
I didn't have one more
It's
fun.
too much fun.
I didn't have one more fun.
You want to have one more fun? Okay, another time, okay? It's 8 o'clock. We were about to go grab something to eat, but the wait was like an hour and a half. We still have a 3.5 hour drive back home, so we're filling up the tank and we're about to head back. Like, comment, subscribe as always, and with that, we say shalom.